Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 7, Fair Play, from your Honeysuckle textbook in English. Students, this story is written by Munshi Premchand and it deals with friendship between Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. See the part 1, first paragraph. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, they were good friends. They were best friends. And their friendship was very strong. Bond means relationship. जो उनका relationship था, that was very strong. They looked after each other's family. When anyone of them was not there in the village, they were greatly respected in the village. They were much respected in the village. Both were much respected in the village. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limits. Students became indifferent. It means lost interest in or did not care for. Clear? Means कि इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो जाना और केयर भी नहीं करना. Grudged, it means gave unwillingly or felt angry or unhappy about giving. Swallowed these insults, it means tolerated them. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. जो जुमन की aunt थी, उसकी एक old aunt थी जिसके पास कुछ property थी. And his old aunt transferred her property to Juman's name. उसने सारी property जुमन के name पे transfer कर दी and in return Juman promised to take good care of her old aunt. Clear? And beta, the arrangement worked well for a couple of years. कुछ year तो everything went smoothly. But then the situation changed. But after a few years, the behavior of Juman and his wife changed. Juman broke his promise. And Juman and his family were tired of old relative, tired of old aunt. And they did not take care of the aunt. They often insulted her. And beta even unhappy to give her little food. हमेशा उसकी इंसल्ट करते और जो उसको थोड़ा सा फूड भी देना था खाने को वो भी बड़े अनविलिंगली देते. एंड दैट ओल्ड आंट वांटेड कि जो उसको डेली इसको फूड चाहिए था, बस इतना फूड इसको चाहिए था और वो भी वो अनविलिंगली देते थे. एंड जो ओल्ड आंट थी, शी कांट टॉलरेटेड इट and she tolerated them for few months, but patience has its limits. And now her patience crossed the limits. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. But obvious means clear. Allowance क्या है? Allowance means money for sport. Patient, it means not get angry, stay calm. Shamelessly, बेशर्मी से. बेटा सीइंग दिस बिहेवियर, ये ऐसा उसका बिहेवियर देख के नाउ जो आंट थी, जो ओल्ड आंट डिड नॉट वांट टू लिव इन जूमन्स हाउस. वो अब उसके घर में नहीं रहना चाहती थी. सो शी रिक्वेस्टेड जूमन टू गिव हर मंथली अलाउंस. बेटा अलाउंस मीन्स क्लियर ना, मनी फॉर स्पॉट, सो दैट जो आंट कैन सेटअप अ सेपरेट किचन, वो अपनी एक सेपरेट किचन जो है वो सेटअप कर सके एंड शी कैन कुक फॉर हर सेल्फ. जूमन सेड शेमलेसली, वो बड़ी बेशर्मी से कहता है, मेरी वाइफ को अच्छी तरह से पता है कि हाउ टू रन द हाउस, कि घर को कैसे चलाना है. बी पेशेंट. दिस मेड हिज आंट वेरी एंग्री. अब जो उसकी आंट थी उसको बड़ा गुस्सा था. शी डिड नॉट, जो जूमन था, ही डिड नॉट एग्री टू गिव मनी, क्योंकि वो उसको एग्री भी नहीं था मनी देने के लिए. एंड जूमन डिड नॉट पे अटेंशन एंड इंसल्टेड हर. दिस मेड हिज आंट वेरी एंग्री. सो एंड शी कैस्ट एंड डिसाइडेड टू टेक हर केस टू द विलेज पंचायत. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Beta, pleaded means requested. Mum, silent, quiet. Make it up, stop quarreling, come to an agreement with. Seeking, finding. But for many days, his old aunt was talking and explaining her case to the villagers and finding their spot. बेटा some sympathized with her, कुछ तो जो villagers थे they were sympathized with her, उसके साथ हमदर्दी दिखा रहे थे. Some laughed at her, जो दूसरे थे वो उस पर हंस रहे थे. And a few others advised her to stop the quarreling with her nephew and his wife, कि वो उन दोनों से झगड़ा बंद कर दे. And at last what she decided to go to Algu Chaudhary. And at last she went to Algu Chaudhary. But who was Algu Chaudhary? Algu Chaudhary was Juman's best friend. And beta, now she discussed all the matter with Algu Chaudhary. And Algu said, Chachi, I am Juman's best friend. And how can I go against Juman? Now the old lady requested him. She said, but it is right, my son. To keep mum, to keep silent and not say anything. What you consider just and fair? क्या ये ठीक है कि चुप रहना, कुछ भी नहीं बोलना? Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. तुम पंचायत में आओ और सच का साथ दो और सच बोलो. She said. And now, but Algu did not reply. लेकिन जो ओल्ड आंट के जो वर्ड्स थे They were ringing in his ears. वो उसके कानों में गूंज रहे थे. Clear बेटा? Thank you.